You're in front of everybody.
Come on, down.
Here you go. Oh. I didn't get one with people's names on it.
It was me.
It's all the flowery ones.
Thank you.
Oh, really?
I'm doing the video.
Wait, Emily. Actually, they are.
Take the one that's left.
What was there in it?
Put it down.
I have it.
Did you get Emily?
I need to get your cell phone number.
Mom, can I just leave my socks?
I don't have your cell phone number. I need it.
Okay.
I like this.
I'm not going to say it while I'm videotaping.
Yeah, I know.
Advertising campaign that Nikon has started. If you can make a telephone call with your camera, it's not a camera. Which I think was pretty clever,
Yeah.
you know?
Yeah.
If you can make a telephone call.
Well, a lot of people figure, you know what? Am I going to spend another $200 on a camera, or do I just buy a phone that has a decent camera on it?
Yeah, right. You know? That's right. I think the camera manufacturers are a little nervous, you know? So they're trying to pack all these extra features in the, standard,
What's nice is the phone is,
video camera, the whole shot.
you take a picture, it says before.
You get it.
With the camera, it's not wireless, you don't have it. You gotta go home, download it, figure out how to do it.
Good.
What Nike's gonna have, or Nokia or whatever's gonna have to come up with is figuring out how to get
Yeah, she's starting to walk around a little bit without the
Wi-Fi.
camera already, so
ready.
she's getting around. She's just getting stir crazy. She's like, I want to get out here. I want to go walk with me. We're like outside, so I'll have to take her out for a walk after that. Oh, thank you. Let it grow out so I can pull it back.
Slow down on the
He's wonkered already.
You have finals?
Not this coming week, this weekend.
There's still an egg out there.
I know.
There's still an egg out
I'm
here.
thinking about maybe trying to take the DAT. It's like a demo.
Bentley, do you want to
To
come
get
inside?
into school, I have to like score all the DATs.
What if he just wants to stay out now?
Oh, out there.
You know what Roots Train John are?
I do not.
Oh, it's got like this creamy, sugary, nougat-ish.
Oh, I don't like nougat.
You would like this. You're sinful. If I can. No, we're trying to describe what's inside the Cadbury egg. I don't trust her with the egg. She doesn't like really sweet stuff. Oh, and I can catch it. You take one bite and don't like it, I don't care that I just bite on it. I'll take it. Who doesn't like these? Who doesn't like it? Oh, I don't like these. I didn't realize there's cream in here. I thought it was chocolate. No.
Did they find the ones that Greg put up in the trees?
Yeah, once Greg mentioned, that, oh, I can't believe they didn't see him. Then somebody saw the one there, and then somebody saw the second one there. And I think that's it.
Good. I'm just trying to look around where I know I had
And then
some.
Riley came out a little while ago and dropped, I think, a Cadbury in that thing over there.
Oh no!
Well, he did it on purpose, and I don't know if he had something in mind or whatever. Bentley went in and sniffed at it, but I don't think he took it. And I don't think Riley went back
Good.
and
I
get
think
it.
they
So.
did a really good job.
Oh yeah, they.
Oh yeah, they went all around, yeah. But they said. Oh, she said she didn't like it, but she does.
Good, good. I'm glad I wanted to make sure it didn't roll under this thing because I put it near there.
They had their radar out pretty. They had their radar out.
Yeah, Sammy went on a long run with Greg this morning, so she's snoozing right now.
Well, he's gonna snooze big time on the way home because he doesn't get this kind of run and.
Well, and this is fun, and it's great weather. weather, it's just perfect.
Yep. Hey, Boo. Good boy. Hey, Cassie. That's that good boy. Yes, he is. Tired, though, huh? Bentley. Bentley. Hey.
I'm ready to say the Cadbury eggs, anything's going to be sour, I think. Yeah, I already had one.
Yeah, Cassie, that's your own pee.
I'll get one eventually, Joe. I said you can't eat them all right now, and eventually you have to go to sleep.